Today we are making a pasta salad. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share my video, do all of the right things in life. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So first you will need a jar with a lid, preferably something that you can shake, or even a bottle, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to add in olive oil. This is just for the salad dressing. White vinegar. I have 1 chili that I chopped up. This is optional, you don't have to put chili in. This is entirely up to you. And then I also have salt and pepper to taste. Fresh rosemary. Popping it all into the jar. Then I'll close the jar and shake it. There we go, and I'll set this aside for when my salad is done. So over here I have screws, normal pasta screws, and to this I will be adding half an onion chopped up. Guys, I will leave the measurements on my video in my description box in case I don't mention the amount. And to that I'm also adding lemon juice. Not too much, I've used the smaller part of the lemon when I cut it. Half a cucumber. I scrape the fork through the cucumber, but for aesthetic purposes. It's not a must. You can if you want to. I also scrape the middle out of the cucumber because I figured that's what makes it watery. Just give this a nice mix. Also going to add in cheese of your choice. I am using white cheddar cheese. Just adding that into the pasta mix. And I'm also going to add in cherry tomatoes cut into quarters. And then I just have some wild rockets that I think I'll add in there as well. This is optional, you don't have to add it in. And I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and I'll show you what it looks like. So now that I've mixed everything together, I'm going to add the dressing. So guys, I always pre-cook my pasta. I don't feel the need to show how to cook pasta. I feel like we all know how to do that. And then when I add the dressing, I'll just drizzle it over the top. You can always make some more dressing and just put it on the side when you're serving your food. And then yeah, if you feel you want to mix the dressing through, that's entirely up to you. I leave mine just like that. So there you go guys, a beautiful salad. This salad is inspired by my manager. He asked me if I can make a cold pasta dish, and I thought I'd make a salad. You can eat it just like this or you can have it with chicken.